guys, I am going to teach you how to make this bikini top in less than 10 minutes. Let's get into it. This is the pattern that I'm going to use. Now we need to pick out a fabric. All right, so this is the fabric that I have decided on. I have some scraps left over from another project, so we're going to use this. And this is going to be the lining. Plus, I have this bottom that I made last week that this top can match with, and she needs a top. Yes, she does. All right, so now that we have our fabric, we are going to get to cutting. And like I said, we are using scraps, so I'm gonna have to move it around and make it work, honey, however it works, okay? So we're gonna cut out 2 in this fabric and 2 pieces for this bikini top in the lining fabric. My blade is a little dull, it's all right. Still works though. Okay. Oop. Forgot to cut the bottom. Okay, nothing in life is perfect. Forgot to cut the bottom. Good enough. All right. So now we're gonna use this same piece to cut the other side. And like I said, we're using scraps, so we gotta make it work however it works. Is that gonna work? Is it gonna work? Do I have enough of this fabric? Let's see. I think I have just enough. I think I do. All right, so we're cutting out the other side. Ooh, I need a new blade. Okay, so now we have our 2 front pieces. And I am going to now cut out the lining. Okay, so I have all 4 pieces cut out. Now I am going to attach the lining to the outer fabric. I am going to, trying to do this one-handed. Sorry guys. I am going to sew all around and leave the bottom open, okay? All right, so now I have both sides sewn together. I flipped it inside out. I am adding a padding to each side. It's hard to do it with one hand. I am going to close up the bottom with my serger. I will flip it over and sew a strap channel across, and this is a string that I'm going to insert into both pieces. So I'm going to take this over to my serger, sew across both of the bottoms, and flip it over to add a strap channel. All right, now you have both pieces that are sewn together and we have a strap channel. I'm gonna take my loop turner and I am going to insert that in both of the strap channels. I take my strap that's gonna go around my under bust for my bikini top. And in less than 10 minutes, I just taught you how to create this simple padded bikini top.